Okay, so oh no, I could not find that small piece, and now we come back to that trigger and trigger guard and the triggers. Where you come out. Oh, there. Okay. Oh. Ah, it's a tough one. See that? Oh, here we go. Now I'm stuck with the drill. Okay. Okay, this was that one, and now the other side. The other guy here didn't moved. So give me some more punches. So we are on the right track. Ta-da! Okay. Oh, no, here we missed the last screw. That one. That screw here. Check for the right size. This one. This one. Yes. Screw of the bascule. Come on. I know you want it. It's not moving. Not a size. Not an inch. Holy crap. Come on. I know you want it. It's not moving. Take the other direction. It's not moving. That's too big. No, no, not. No, that fits. Okay. Oh, it's moving. No, it's not. Just destroying it. This needs to come out. Holy crap. Hmm. Hmm. I need to rethink that one. And not sure where this come from. Somewhere here, I think. And so see, that screw is damaging, is crushing, and I don't know for sure how we can turn that out. not moving in any direction. So maybe, guys, we have to destroy that one completely, push it out with a driller, and then make a new one. So we will keep on punching it till it comes out or breaks. Or another part of that stock. Another part of the stock. Okay, so after that fail, I tried one last thing. I threw the whole stock with that screw inside the electrolysis, and now we will check. So sea monster back in the water, and I will do the electrolysis, its work, and see whether then we can get out that screw. Okay, good morning, folks. Now I get out that stock from the bath, and turn around, and we see here the electrolysis did its job. Now we go on the water. So good morning, folks. I get out that stock from the electrolysis bath. This is how it looks like. The electrolysis did its job here. As we can see, the metal has darkened, and hopefully we'll get now out that screw, and I hope the electrolysis did its job overnight. And the screw, so the stock so far was not, as far as I can see, was not damaged by the water. It has a bit darkened, but I think when it will dry up, we will clean it with the oven cleaner, and then we will see. Okay, so now let's start cleaning that stock and clean that metal, and then we will see how whether we can open that screw. Okay, so I tried to open up that screw, but it's still not moving. It's still not moving. It's almost destroyed. And now the last thing I will try is to heat it up and then open it, and if that fails, I will drill it out. Okay, so let's go inside the holder. Okay, so heating that up. Let's see. Let's see. I don't want to burn the wood, of course. Okay. Now that will definitely burn the wood at this area, and we don't use that. Okay. So heating up the screw with that is not possible. I tried in the past with a small welding tool, but this also failed. So here we really face a problem. I think what else we can do? If I use a rust remover, it's not really helpful, because here we have rust remover don't go inside. After all this time, I reused it and reused it and reused it, and literally doesn't go inside. Didn't go inside. So rust remover is not the answer here. Well, I think we have to drill it out and insert a new screw inside the bascule. So partially I would say the disassembling failed at that on that screw. I guess what we can try again or retry is to push the screw in the other direction. Oh, it's completely gone. It's completely gone. Let me think what we can do. We can just push it through, so drill it out, and then with a punch push it through, and then we got it out, and then we need to make a new screw. Okay, so the drilling out of that I will not film. I'll do it here on my drilling machine, and well, you can watch. But I'm not sure if you want to see that. For me it's a hot bleeding procedure, as this won't stay in the original shape, and well, I'm really sorry for that this happened. Okay, we first do this with yes, I think with a drill. So we start with that guys here. Can you see that? Yes, you can. So I will bring you over here at the drilling machine so you can better see what I'm doing. Here we have a counter light, so no, not really better. Turn it off. Okay, let me show you this. So here we have the drilling head, and we will start with that guys here. I think we will need this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Drop this apart. Now we remove that so that will go exactly on that screw. Let's turn that off. Okay. Okay, here we go. No, that's not how it should work. Where's my They need the light, sorry guys, but they need the light. Okay, I'll try to show you from the other side. Maybe. Oh no. Okay. So we're drilling here. I'm not sure if you can see that. Can I go here around and then give you some light? Yes, it's a bit better. Okay, so we drill out that screw, and now I need to check. Carefully. Where are we going? Not to destroy the last cube. No, not this way. Not this way. Um, okay. Now the screws are almost destroyed, and we will now try to hammer it, punch it through. And then we do our search for a new one. Round off, and we have to repair. Despite that, we have to repair something else on this gun cell. Okay. Let me be clear that what I'm doing here is not what I like to do, but the result guns is not always well, especially this one we have some damages, and that needs to be welded, well, this is another. We have 3 damages on these guns, on this gun, that need to be repaired. That is, for one, is it here on that little piece here that cracked from the lock, that need to be re-welded here. And the other thing is the spring holder here that need to be changed or re-welded. And the third thing is that screw inside here that need to be replaced. Okay, I think we will try to retry to drill with another drill. Let me try again this one. Okay, now it should be very very thin. The screw head now should be very thin. So let's try again. Push it through. Here we go. Now we have to remove the rest of the head. But here now we have push it through that screw, and now we can go through it with a punch. And here we are. So we need to turn this out from here, but this should not be a problem. And now we can push out that bascule, that barrel holder. Carefully. Carefully. Here we go. Well, that's it. We totally disassembled the gun. Now we totally disassembled the gun. That is the screw head. I punched out now. And so we will find here another screw for the bascule. This is the bascule without any destruction, thankfully. And yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the complete disassembling of the extremely rusty double flintlock shotgun. My name is Dr. Jax, and I want to thank you for watching. In the next video, so now for the next, what are the next steps? The next steps are that I will put all that I will put all the parts in the electrolysis bath, and after that I will bring the parts that are destroyed for reparation, because I cannot weld this by myself. So I will bring the parts that need to be welded to a gunsmith, and we'll do some search for that screw here, and well, and then we meet again for cleaning and reassembling all the parts, and hopefully after that we can shoot that gun. Bye bye.